Hey everybody, welcome. In this video I will show a simple way how you can start or create a calendar in Notion. So let's start. There are actually two ways how we can do it. The first way is when you're gonna add a slash and just scroll down below and you can create a calendar inline. What does it mean? That you can actually delete it. This is going to be part of your board. But if you're gonna go full page, you won't be able to delete the calendar. So this is something you need to keep in mind. So when I'm going to create a full page calendar, it will automatically create this, and you can just simply write it need to do, right? And you can simply add it to Monday, to whatever. You can really play around it, and voila, what you have to do. Like properties, you can add people here. The people can see others what to do and when to do it. And then you're gonna see always September, October, November, December. Every time what you need to do. So this is how we can simply add calendar. And yeah, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I don't know what else should I tell you, because this is really simple. And have a great day and goodbye.